Hello friends, so we will solve this problem number line jumps. So we have two kangaroos on a number line ready to jump in a positive direction, that is towards positive infinity. The first kangaroo will start at the location x1 and will move at the rate of v1 meters per jump, and second kangaroo will start at location x2 and will move at the rate of v2 meters per jump. And we have to figure out that both the kangaroos are meeting at the same location at the same time, and if this is possible then we have to return yes, and if it is not possible then we have to return no. So I'll go to the picture they have given. So in this you will see this is kangaroo 1 and this is kangaroo 2, and as the data input they have given, kangaroo 1 is starting at the 0th uh, location and kangaroo 2 is starting at 4th location, and the speed of kangaroo 1 is 3 meters per jump and the speed of kangaroo 2 is 2 meters per jump, and this picture is showing exactly that data. So these kangaroos will meet the at 12 because kangaroo 1 is having more speed than kangaroo 2, as it is having speed of 3 meters per jump and kangaroo 2 is having 2 meters per jump. And even if kangaroo 2 is starting 4 meters ahead of kangaroo 1, still they will meet because kangaroo 1 is having more speed than kangaroo 2. If that is not the case, then they will never meet because if the kangaroo 2 has more speed than the kangaroo 1, then kangaroo 2 will go ahead of kangaroo 1, and kangaroo 1 and 2 will not meet at any point on this positive x-axis. So according to that, if they're meeting, we have to return yes, and if they're not meeting, we have to return no. As particular in this case, kangaroo 1 that is having 2 meters per jump and kangaroo 2 is having 3 meters per jump. So in this case, kangaroo 1 and 2 will not meet. So they have written no. So I'll make it as a full screen and I'll keep this picture so that you we can refer it. So for this, to solve this, I'll take a flag, that is int flag, and will initialize it with 0, and if they're meeting I'll make it as 1, and if they're not meeting I'll keep it as 0 and I'll return no. So first condition we have to check is if speed of kangaroo 1 is more than speed of kangaroo 2, that is if v1 is greater than v2. So if this is not the case, then uh, we will not check further more information and will return no. And if this is the case, if v1 is more than v2, then we have to check if they are meeting at any point or not. So for that we will use a while loop, and we have to check till x1 is less than equal to x2. So in this while loop we will make our kangaroo jump to the next indexes, that is next points, that is will take this value, that is starting point of kangaroo 1, and we'll add v1 into it, and we'll take this value, that is starting point of kangaroo 2, and we'll add v2 into it, and we will check that if those points are equal or not. So on that we'll do that, that is like x1 equal to x1 plus v1, and this is for kangaroo 1, and for kangaroo 2 we'll do the same thing, just x2 equal to x2 plus v2. So after this we have to check one more condition, if x1 is equal to x2, and if this is the case we have to make our flag as equal to 1. So after this, so whenever this condition is happening, while loop will break and it will come out of the while loop, and since our we are checking our flag, so we'll check our flag after this if statement, and will return accordingly. So if our flag is not equal to 0, that is if the flag is 1, hence they are meeting at some point, at the same time. So we have to return yes, that is in capitals. Else we have to return no. So I'll I'll take this in the if else part. Even if we don't take this in a if else part, it will still work, but I'll just, for the better understanding, I'll take it in the else part. So I'll just run the code to check if it is working or not. So first two test cases are passing. So I'll submit the code. So all the test cases are passing. So we know that our code is running fine. So this is the solution for this problem. If you have any doubts, do let me know in comments, and thank you for watching.